that it's just stupid, but everybody loves it. It's hummus. Now, yes, you can buy it kind of everywhere now, but relatively speaking, it's expensive. All it is chickpeas. Now, these are canned chickpeas. Lemon juice, about the juice of 1 lemon actually, which makes about 1/4 cup, and some tahini. Now, tahini is one of my favorite things. Basically a cream made of toasted sesame seeds, and so this is really it. And it's loaded with iron. Sesame seeds are loaded with iron. They're really fantastic. Magic ingredient. Must not forget garlic. Now cut it up a little bit because we're going to put everything into the food processor, and I don't want anyone to sort of all of a sudden find themselves with a great chunk of garlic in their hummus. Some people might like that, but not me. There's about 4 cloves there. Okay. Now I'm going to put all of the chickpeas in and the lemon juice. I'm going to put the tahini in a minute once I've brought these down a little bit. Now I'm just going to push everything down from the side. I'm going to put in the tahini. Now if it still stays a little bit too stiff, I'm going to add a little bit of water to it. You can add extra lemon juice. Depends on how tart you like it. Now I'm just going to, I can do that. I'm going to put in a little bit of water in here. And a little bit of salt. And when you think that you can pay $6 just for a little tub at the supermarket, it makes no sense really. So, now, you don't actually put the oil in it, you just drizzle it on the top. Just roughly chop a little bit of parsley. And there you have hummus.